Should be good to go. Should be good to go. Ready? I'm ready. Don't blow up. Well, good morning, peoples. Today we'll be fixing the airco. We got a new compressor, new condenser, new dryer, and we're gonna replace the radiator because that is not looking too good. And that's about it, right? Yeah, a bunch of hoses and stuff. So yeah, let's do this. So we think the first step is to drain the coolant and then disassemble all the lines, hoses, wires, everything, and then take out the fan itself, and then we should be able to get the radiator out, I guess. Coolant is almost drained. Now, yeah, we're gonna take off a bunch of hoses and stuff and see if we can get to the fan. Some cables. So it doesn't stay in one piece. This plug connector. This vacuum line also has to go. Oh, did we get all wires and hoses off of there? That's the question now.
I think so.
Right. And there should be 4 bolts holding the fan in place. Now with that final bolt out, that should, yeah, like that, and then it should come right up, I guess. Oh, well,
that's part 1.
It sounds like it's stuck on something at the bottom. So there's pretty long pins at the bottom as well, so it has to come out like that and then up. So this might be a 2-person job. Let's see.
Should be loose now.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Here we go. Wait, there's a clip in the way. There's another thing in the way. Now it's stuck behind that. Okay, yeah. It's coming. Cable in the way. Hose clamp in the way. And there we go. It's free. We got it. So before we're gonna get the radiator out, there's that hose at the top and 1 hose at the bottom. And then that radiator is held in by some more screws or bolts, I guess.
From the bottom.
From the bottom.
Go that way.
Okay.
But the condenser is also mounted on the radiator.
So they come out as a whole.
I think, yes.
Okay. Guess we'll see. I'm gonna take off the hoses.
So now loosen the AC lines on the condenser.
So we're gonna try and take it out from the bottom. Right.
Easy, that's the grip.
Yeah. Some more water.
Water.
Yeah, this is a very interesting shot, I guess.
So, what are your plans this weekend?
Whoa. There it is.
Nothing can tip it.
Right. That is one old radiator and condenser. Alright, with that out of the way, we should now be able to get at the compressor. We did bring it to the car repair shop to get rid of all the old stuff that's in the ecosystem, because that stuff is very harmful
to you and the environment. Ozone layer.
We also got a new coolant hose for the bottom of the expansion tank to the engine, and a new gasket for that as well, for the side of the coolant pipe where it meets the engine itself, because that's leaking a little bit. So we're gonna replace that as well. So that means we gotta take off the serpentine belt first, and then take off the expansion tank, and yeah. So that's the hose we'll be replacing with a new one. So that pipe, that needs to come off somehow. It's pretty hard to get to, and it's pretty hard to film. So I guess we're just gonna dig in and show you the result. So we managed to get that old gasket out. Yeah, let's see how we're gonna get that new one in now. Somehow we managed to get that gasket in there. Do we recommend it? No.
You can't properly clean anything.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to take a look at that again sometime. But for now, yeah, that's all we can do.
If you want to do it correctly, you gotta take the pipe out.
Yeah.
So you gotta have this gasket and the one that goes over the water pump.
With that gasket replaced, we're gonna take off the serpentine belt and then get to the compressor.
Yes.
Now,
So let's start at the pump. This line.
Too happy. So we got these two spring locks. These are the part numbers. Small one and a big one. This is what you need to get the hoses off. So, yep. Hello, me as the editor here. We have had some requests to let you know which part numbers we use in the videos, and so we have listed them in the description below.
So that goes on there. And then you gotta push. In theory.
Yeah. So that took some wiggling around, but eventually we got it off with that lock spring. Let's see if we can get the compressor out. It is held in by 4 bolts, if we're correct. First we got to remove those electrical wires here and there, of course.
Man, this looks like it's gonna snovel.
So to get a little more room to get to the bolts on the compressor from the left side, yeah, we're gonna take that pulley off. That one.
Idler pulley. I need the thumb. It's not. It's not reach.
Wow. You're thinking your life over? Let's get that compressor out. Should be easy enough now. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. It's coming. Ah, behold!
Ow! It's got tie wrap mod.
Oh yeah. So that's the new compressor. We got that with the deal we got for the interior. It looks like we got some extra parts on this one. Oh, we're missing some on the old one, so...
Remove manufacturer oil to drain and dispose properly.
Alright, let's do that. We got some new PAG oil, and that should be 46 for this compressor. And it should be 150 milliliters. Okay, so we think we did that correctly. So Richie is not confident this is going to work. I think it's gonna work like a charm. We got the compressor back, it's nice and tight again. Yeah, now we gotta replace some rubbers, and yeah, we gotta take off that hose from the old dryer and install on a new one. So yeah. That didn't work. Well, it's off. So we got a new rubber seal for this side of the hose. Of course, we got a new seal for that side as well later. Needs to go on to the dryer, this side.
Doe dat vandaag nog. Het is best als hij in het systeem zit of dicht is. Deze is droog, anders pak je de vocht van de lucht.
So we're gonna do that tomorrow. Right, so it's getting a little late, but we're first gonna do some of the rubbers from the hoses. Those, and of course we gotta put the radiator and the condenser together. Yeah, let's just keep on going.
Hey. Will it make a sound now?
Right, let's assemble the new radiator and condenser. We need to disassemble some parts from the old one and install them on the new one. And then the intercooler should be attached to the radiator, and that goes in like one piece. Looking good. Right, those are joined together. Of course, we gotta clean this a little bit. Wet towel. So we're gonna reuse this hose as well, because yeah, they are new, very expensive, and so far, well, at least that we know of, they are not leaking, so should be good to go.
Should be good to go. Should be good to go. So.
Yeah, let's get the serpentine belt back, and then everything in that corner, the hose, reservoir, yeah, and then get to the new radiator and a condenser. Wait, we forgot the pulley.
Oh yeah.
Got the pulley back. Now it's time for the serpentine belt. Get that new hose on there, which is that part number. Let's put the reservoir bag. And that is that side done. Now, I think it's time to put the radiator and a condenser back.
Alright, that's the AC system closed.
Nice. Alright, so now it's just a matter of reinstalling all the hoses. Bottom one, top one, all the vacuum lines need to go back, all the wires, connectors.
The fan.
And then put some new coolant in there.
Coolant?
Yeah, bleed the system and we should be good to go. Right, in with the fan.
Let's see on the bottom if the things align. That one and that one. Where's the... Fuck you. One to the bottom, that one on the top.
I think we got it. That would mean fill it up with coolant. We're gonna start her up, make the engine nice and hot, heat the coolant system, and then we should be able to go to the car repair shop and test the air conditioning system for any possible pressure leaks. Nothing to worry about yet? No. Alright. Alright, and that is all we are going to do today. Tomorrow we'll be going to the car repair shop and test the air conditioning system for any leaks. Well, if all is good, we can fill it up and hopefully have a working air conditioning again. Right, see you in the morning. Well, good morning. Next day, we're gonna fill up the airco and hopefully nothing leaks. So we put 10 bars of pressure on the system and that should stay at 10 bars for how long?
Well, always.
And to be absolutely certain, we got some
Professional leak detection spray.
it's just water with soap.
That's thicker.
Okay. There are no bubbles. No bubbles?
No bubbles.
That didn't lose any pressure at all. So we're confident the system is airtight. So yeah. So one more minute of vacuum. And then it's gonna try and keep that vacuum pressure for 5 minutes. If that's all good, then we should be good to well, fill her up with refrigerant. And then hopefully the compressor works.
Should we do it?
Go. Now what?
It's finished.
Oh, that was quick.
Yes.
That was really quick. Okay.
Close that.
So now we should have your working air conditioning.
Yes. Ready?
I'm ready.
Don't blow up.
I'm gonna go look.
Fan is spinning, so it seems to be working.
Right. Let's check underneath the hood. All looking good. At least there's no weird noises.
Pump is spinning.
The pump is spinning, yeah. Okay. So,
Something.
yeah, now let's see if we get some cold air. And whoa, it's cold in here.
It's only
Holy.
22.
Whoa, we actually got cold air.
Go even colder. 19.
Well, this is definitely working though.
Indeed.
This is, wow. Really? Nah.
I'm surprised. To be honest. Well, it hasn't blown that cold in a long time.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, this is
Getting quite
definitely
cold.
getting cold. Definitely.
Let's go to the max.
Okay. On 3, 2, 1.
Maximum coldness.
Oh yeah, there it comes.
Whoa. It's freezing.
Whoa. This actually works. Wow. Oh man, I wish we had this in Sweden. This is actually really cold.
Let's give it some blowing.
Ooh, this is definitely working. Yeah, we got airco. Air conditioning. Wow. Yeah. It's awesome. Why were the fog lights on?
Well, if we set it at 22 and everything automatic, it should do its thing, right?
True. Let's try.
22.
Auto. Auto.
It's going to blow warm now, or what?
I think, because it's now pretty cold in here. We don't know if all sensors are working though.
Oh no. We'll notice when it's hot outside. It's pretty mild summer this for AB pump.
It's switched. That's good.
Got AC.
Wow.
Well, very nice.
Yeah, I think we can close this.
Let's drive and see if it actually drives with the AC on.
Okay, but well, yeah. Oh yeah, maybe the pump
Maybe we
demands
got
so much horsepower that we cannot move anymore.
it's basically a generator right now.
Yeah, but for now, I think we can close this on a positive note.
Yes,
It's good news. It's getting hot. I'm gonna 22 should be nice. That's about all we can do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.
cheers. Dag Nina.